We made it, Kip.
Yeah, a nice, they call it a class 4 hike.
Class 4, 2.5 k's, felt like 12 k's. But I'll turn you around, it's definitely worth it. Well, good morning, everybody. It is day, what are we? 16. And we've left our Cressrow. We're now on the Pentecost River. Having a bit of a tour around, bit of a look. It's a nice spot. There's some big barren here apparently, but doesn't look too fishy. So we're sort of going to wing it today. We've decided that we will take the Gibb River Road back to Broome, and we'll just do a bit of a recce for another trip. We'll stop at a few spots on the way, try and get some touristy stuff in as we go. Spend a couple of days on here, and then yeah, hightail it back to Perth. I'll have to, and then Kip's still got some time off, so he'll probably kick around Broome for a bit. But yeah, we visited Zebedee Springs, which you would have seen. Awesome little spot, and yeah, then we headed here. So we'll make sure we get the drone shot coming over this river like everybody else does. Hopefully I can make it look good. We'll give it a crack. And yeah, hang around, hit the like and subscribe, and let's see what we get up to on this trip. On the Durack River, doing a bit of fishing. We found a camp up on the hill. It was still quite early. We thought we'll go and get some wood, have a quick look down river. Got back and there's some French backpackers camped up, already set up and everything. So they said we're quite welcome to join them. It's quite a big area, so we probably will join them. Make our box ourselves into the corner there and set up camp. But yeah, in the meantime, it's quite warm again. What is the time? It's 1 o'clock, so yeah, quite warm. We're just flicking lures, walking up and down the river, flicking lures. You never know, we might entice a barra to take a bite. So anyway, stick around, see if I catch anything.
Through the soft sand and hard up?
I think the soft sand, and then we'll come up the other way. I think it'll be the go. Alright, I don't even need to carry anything now. I should have recorded my own death, I suppose. Oh, look at these steps. Oh. Oh. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, we made it, Kip. Holy fuck. Well, good morning everyone. It's day 17. It's a red day today. Just had a bit of a freshen up. Myself and Kip have packed up camp. It's gotten quite windy this morning, so I'm hiding behind the Land Cruiser. Yeah, camped at Durack River last night. Pretty good. Seen some interesting activity in the sky last night. It was strange. We were talking, Kip was telling me about some lights he seen a while ago, and then how he was talking to his mate Robbie about it, and they seen it on the night, and then we seen the same thing tonight. I managed to capture some footage on my time lapse that I was trying to catch the stars, so I'll drop a little bit of footage in now, and you can see the star trails of the activity that we're watching in the corner. Yeah, pretty impressive. Not sure what it was, but yeah, have a look. Anyway, so yeah, today we're continuing on the Gib. I think we're going to test out the world famous scones on the Gib this morning. Have a coffee, have a scone, and then we're going to punch it down to Manning Gorge. Try and get there this afternoon to do the walk and the swim this afternoon. So yeah, we'll bring you along and try and get some footage along the way.
But unfortunately, they're the images that get all the views. Because it looks pretty.
They were very nice scones. I highly recommend.
The stretch lagoon, and someone come back and said, yeah, there's crocodiles in there. Well, there's no crocodiles in there, so if I can do the Google search.
Yeah.
Yeah, the crocodiles in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, blown off course.
But yeah, even if just hanging here, it's bloody nice, isn't it?
This is where it gets deep.
Yeah.
Down there.
Oh yeah, there's a drop off. Alright guys, we've done the crossing. We're on the track. Just got to follow little arrows or bits of tape or something. Hopefully we won't get lost. Got a survival pack on anyway, with some beers in it. And yeah, we'll stay hydrated. So yeah, 2.5 k's. I'll get it if I can when we get there. It might be 20 minutes later, but there we go. We made it, Kip.
Yeah, the nice, they call it a class 4 hike.
Class 4, 2.5 k's, felt like 12 k's.
And it's not just flat, it's up and down, rocky, it's a
big,
good hike.
Big billy goat stuff, but I'll turn you out, it's definitely worth it. Have a look at that. Alright, we're getting down to the water. How good.
his mother. You don't have to film anything extra for intros and outros as such. When you're editing, you just pull all the bits and pieces, like the highlight reel of what's coming up, and you can do. And if some people do like a highlight reel of what will be the next episode as your outro.
Yeah.
There's different ways you can do it.
Yeah.
I think that's sufficient to, you're telling people this is the end.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next thing. But yeah, and there's some real big